Hey, how's it going, guys? Happy Thursday. Thanks for stopping by. So welcome to the Matty Wagon 2.0. As you can see now, I've got some super stealth mode. I've got a sign going on the side. Well, each side has this sign. So people will think I'm just the cleaners. No worries. Not a killer, not a murderer, just the cleaners. And I don't usually swing these doors open like this much, but it sure is nice to be able to swing them back like this. So there's my shower bag that I take into the shower with me at Planet Fitness. There's my urinal, which is cleaned and sanitized. My trash bag. Coat hanger, only got one up right now. The rest are stored away. It's summertime now, you know. That's just for early mornings. There's my cabinetry. Didn't build anything in this van. Just had some filing cabinets in my apartment and bolted them to the wall. That black dresser in the middle is something I had next to my bed in my apartment. I think it's like a little Target nightstand. It's just a little lightweight dresser. It's bolted to the wall. There's my basin on top there. It's my sink, actually. There's my water source. Nice little convenience things I've added, like a cup holder and a little tray over there on the side. See? For putting things in at night. Actually, those wet wipes usually stay in that tray. That's my dirty clothes in that blue tub. So let's back over here and show you this crate I added. It's just mounted to the wall. It's suspended above the battery bank cover. See there? Because there are times I need to move that battery bank cover around when I hook up my solar panels. So I wanted easy access to that. See, my battery's happening down there. See what's going on there? Two batteries that I've wired in parallel. I can charge from the alternator or my solar panels. Solar panels mount up here with magnets. But right now, since I'm fully charged, I've got them taken down and stored. They fold up and store behind those shirts there. They stand on end and just store right behind there. There's Buddy. Chillin'. Love that guy. There's my wires for my solar that I keep clipped up out of the way. And these little clips along the top here is where I clip my towel when it's drying. But now, since I've added this crate, I don't leave the towel up all the time. Once it gets dry, I put it in the gym bag in there, and it makes it so much better here not to have that towel and that bag hanging down, covering up almost the whole entryway. So what else have we not shown you? Behind that white sheer is a shoe organizer with all my bathroom items like shaving cream, toothpaste, toothbrush, Q-tips, shampoo, you name it. It's all hanging vertically there. Nice and organized. And I just put that cover on it to pretty it up a little bit. My water source, that drawer under it pulls out, and I put my basin in it and use it as a sink. Works nicely. There's my sink there. This van came with these planks already bolted down the side when I bought it. So I left them up. You can mount all kind of stuff to these. I've got other ideas for in the future for mounting. But let me come in and show you what I've mounted to the other side. See, I've utilized those planks. Mount the fan, mount a tray, all my little 12-volt adapters and USB things going on there. Tons of stuff. And that black hose, it protects the wire coming in from the alternator. It's a lot of electricity running through that thing, so I wanted it very well protected from no nicks and dings that would cause a spark. That would be very bad. As you can see, I've removed the reflectix for about a foot above the bed here. It's getting a lot of condensation from where all the blankets pile up against it. Once I removed it, it solved the problem. And I just used the blankets as insulation there now. There's my overhead, just zip tied up. Socks and underwear are in those, and sometimes Buddy sleeps up there. Wardrobe, curtain rod, Max Air fan. That thing is a game changer. I could turn that thing on like speed 1 or 2 at night and it blows right across the bed. And it is amazing. Can't do van life without one of those, especially in the southeast. I'm in Nashville, Tennessee, and it gets hot here. Gotta have that fan. It working in conjunction with my interior fan blowing right on me. It's very comfortable. There's my guitar standing up back there. My carbon monoxide detector. Yes, I have it covered because it's got bright light that goes all the time. But it senses from the sides, so no worries. There's a night light. Little trays I've added everywhere, just for convenience. And behind this curtain here is my bathroom items and a shoe organizer. Let me back out. I've got everything from shampoo to shaving cream to razors, toothbrush, you name it. Just hanging vertically all the way down. There's my dirty clothes in that blue tub. I keep pants in this one. I keep shorts and pants, dress pants in those. T-shirts, towels, sheets, that kind of stuff in this one. There's my food pantry with my blackout curtain balled up on top. This drawer holds jeans, and I think I've even got a hair clipper and another battery charger in there. And this one's my junk drawer for hardware, like screwdrivers, pliers, duct tape, zip ties. I'm in that drawer every day. And back here in this little spot is just some old t-shirts that I didn't throw away. I use them for cleaning, and after that, then I'll throw them away. Some extra shoes under there. Haven't worn in quite a while. And let me pan back around. Oh, there's my cooler. I have nothing in there. I don't have any ice in there right now. Let's see. I think I just got water and Gatorade. Yeah, I emptied out. I keep an extra case of water under the bed. And I'm not going to buy as much bottled water anymore. You know, those plastic containers, they got to go somewhere. But they had a big sale on them at Kroger, so I said, okay, I'm going to do it this time, and then from now on I'm going to get a filter for this guy. So that's going forward. We're going to reduce our trash output. And there's my privacy panels for my driver and passenger window, and that white one is for this window here, that window. Because this one is black on the inside, white on the outside. It looks mirrored when you close it off. Buddy, he's a trip. Okay, so let me get back here on the bed, spin around and show you the front. That is a great mod right there. Turn your seat around if you can. That is not on a swivel. I actually unbolted the whole thing, turned it around at that angle, and was able to get one bolt back through it on the rear corner. And then on the front here, I got this 1,000-pound strength strap and went through a cargo ring. This van has cargo rings in the floor, and went through that with the others. So it is nice and secure, but it stays like that all the time. And I've got a big tub of junk up there in the front. It's still just full of, I don't know what to do with that. It's full of just kitchen items, you know, some silverware, some cups, that kind of stuff. I have a big piece of Reflectix, well, under that blue t-shirt there, that I use across the entire windshield for like a sunshade, but it also acts as a nice privacy panel. So here's the shot from the bed, and you can see, let me slide all the way back, and you see all this room that I have between the bed and the seat over there. It's a good 6 feet. And it's great to have that room when you're trying to get dressed in a van. I mean, someone told me when I started building the van, you want as much floor space as you can do, because you're going to need that room for turning around and getting ready and that kind of thing. And you certainly do. Lots of floor space. And underneath this rug, this is just a remnant that I got at Walmart or somewhere, there is a blue exercise pad. You can see the edge right there. Because I'm on my knees, you know, and it makes it nice and comfortable to get down on your knees in here, because I can't stand up in this van. I'm 6'2", and this is the smallest van I could get by with, and that's what I wanted. I did not want a big, huge vehicle. So here's my view. I'm at a park, and look at this guy right here. He's about to get used. Oh yeah, you're about to get used, buddy. There's a walking track, starts here and it goes all the way down a creek and all that. I would take you down it, but that's for another time. We're already over 10 minutes, so we'll shut it off here, guys. Thanks for watching. Buddy says hey, be well, and click that bell. Bye.